Hello everyone, welcome to Sheet Metric. Have you been into a situation where a sheet contains data in multiple columns and rows such that it's not fitting on a screen? While you need to make the data in a presentable format at aggregated level as a quick summary, and you have to present an option to explore the data wherever there is an abnormality. Well, the solution to this problem is grouping the data as per rows and column. Let's understand it in a spreadsheet. Here is the sales data of Indian estates grouped into Southwest Northeast regions for financial year 2023 to 2024. This is not fitting on a screen properly, and this is a fixed year sample data. Assume that you have a data of 4 to 5 years, then it would be very cumbersome and complex things to manage. This data has been grouped over here, and you can see it has been summarized very nicely over here, and if needed to explore this Q3 financial year 2023-24 further, so I can expand it. If I want to know how things are running in South region, then I can go to their constituent states, and then we can have an exploratory kind of analysis. In today's video, we will understand how to group and ungroup rows and columns. Some people also say it minimizing and maximizing rows and columns. We will learn 3 methods to group rows and columns and a few tips and tricks for the best practices of grouping data. Please watch the video till the end, where I will also be comparing whether grouping is a better method than hiding rows or columns, because both are used for similar reasons. This is the base data where I have to group it quarter wise and then subsequently region wise. So method 1 is select the columns which you want to group. So I have selected column C, column D, column E. Then do a right click, go to view, more, column actions, group columns C to E. So it has presented a minus symbol and a line over here, and now this has been grouped. Okay. Now I want to group column G, H, I. So method number 2, select the columns which you want to group and then go to view, go to group. It has detected G2I because column G2I is selected. Third method is select the columns which you want to group and then run a keyboard shortcut, which is Alt plus Shift plus right arrow. I am doing it for Jan, Feb, March as well. I am going to method number 2, which is view, group, column mode. Let's try to the same over rows as well. Here I will also demonstrate you how subgrouping can be done in a bigger group. South region comprises of Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. So method number 1, I have selected all the 3 rows, doing a right click, view more row actions, group rows 4 to 6. Method number 2, select the rows and then go to view, group rows 8 to 9. Method number 3, select the rows and do Alt plus Shift plus right arrow. Here Alt plus Shift plus right arrow. Okay. Now Southwest Northeast zone is a constituent of all regions. So here what I can do, I can select all these and do a right click, view more cell actions, and then it would be grouping rows 3 to 13 in a single group. So you can see it over here. So this is a major group, and then these are the subgroups created under it. Let's understand now a few more functionalities around it. So I'm expanding it. So whenever you will click over this line, so here you will be given 5 options. So collapse column group. So you can collapse it from here also, or you can directly collapse or expand from here as well, right? Let's understand other. Remove group. So you can remove this grouping through here. I am doing it again. I am pressing Alt Shift right arrow. Expand all column groups. So you can expand all column groups in a single go, like here. Then let's understand this fourth one. Collapse all column groups. You can collapse all column groups in a single go. Now fifth option, move plus and minus button to the right. So here you can see plus or this minus option is in the left of the grouped column. You can make it towards right as well. So you have to click on the line and then do it over right. It has shifted all minus symbol to the right. However, we have grouped it here such that it is more explanatory on the left side. So I am doing it back to left side. Similar options are available at rows as well, which is collapse all row group in a single go, expand all, and then move plus or minus button to the bottom. Now, as promised, similar kind of effect can be achieved with hiding and unhiding rows and columns as well, but my preference usually goes to grouping rows and columns, because here you have things available at a single click, but at hiding or unhiding group you have to select it once and then again hide and unhide. Also, this grouping rows and column is present in a visual format over whenever you have a plus symbol very clearly visible. But when a column or row is hidden, many times it get missed out of our eyes that a row or column is hidden. Also, hiding rows and columns is beneficial when you want to print selected data sets. In those cases, and hiding rows and column is more beneficial. I will cover that in another video. If you are liking our content, please like and subscribe to our channel, and also share this video with your friends and colleague who can get benefited out of it. This will mean world to us and also help grow our channel and bring out more and better content for you. Thank you guys.